Hi, welcome back. Now let's talk about the infinite adjustable headrest and the robust infant insert found inside the Mesa Max. Both of these features are intended to improve body positioning for all babies. The infant insert is designed to position smaller infants appropriately. The infinite headrest adjusts freely up and down, ensuring that the shoulder harness is directly on the shoulder and positioning the head directly in the middle of the side impact protection. That's going to maximize the side impact benefit. As you can see on the chart here, you can see how that infant insert is going to position those small infants up so that the shoulder is positioned directly at the shoulder belt and that the headrest is capturing the full head and containing that head in the event of a side impact crash. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to check out the rest of the Mesa Max videos in the series.